Hello students, I am Nishu and today in chapter 17 we will learn about topic planets. These are the heavenly bodies which revolve around the sun, and at present there are 8 planets. We live on the planet Earth. So planet is a heavenly body which revolves around the sun. Sun is at the center of our solar system. Now there are 4 planets which are called as terrestrial planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars. These 4 are terrestrial planets. Now why these are called terrestrial planets? Because they have a well defined surface. They have a crust containing rocks and soil. Whereas the 4 other planets, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune, these are called as Jovian planets because these planets are mostly gaseous. Planets do not have their own light, but they shine when the light from the sun falls on them. The planet Venus, next to Earth, appears bigger than any other planet or the star as seen from the Earth because it is nearby Earth. Now let's learn about them in detail. Now Mercury, which is also called as Budh in Hindi, it is closest to Sun and it is the smallest planet. It completes its one revolution around the Sun in 88 days. That means 1 year on Mercury is of 88 days. It has very thin atmosphere, so the heat and light from the sun reach its surface directly, and it is very hot. Its temperature during day, the maximum temperature can go up to 427 degrees Celsius, and that is very huge heat. The other side of the Mercury, which is not facing the sun, has a temperature in minus. It has minus 173 degree Celsius. So there is yet no proof of life on Mercury, and also this planet does not have any moon. Now next planet is after Mercury is Venus, which is called as Shukra. Now its size is nearly that of Earth. It completes its revolution around the sun in 225 days. Now you can see as we go away from the sun, the revolution time increases. Now it appears as a shining planet. Now Venus is the hottest planet, even hotter than Mercury. Now why it is hotter? Because of carbon dioxide. Its atmosphere consists mainly of carbon dioxide, which is a greenhouse gas, due to which its temperature, the maximum temperature, can go up to 480 degrees Celsius. So it is even hotter than Mercury. So in this planet also there is no evidence of life. It does not have moon like Mercury. Okay, so this is our Earth where we live. It is our home. It is the third planet of the solar system. It receives less light as compared to Mercury and Venus. So it is at the right distance from the sun. It is neither very hot, neither very cold. And Earth revolves around the sun in 365 and 1/4 day. Here the maximum temperature can go up to 58 degrees Celsius and minimum at polar regions is at minus 88 degree Celsius. And Earth has an atmosphere which extends up to 200 km from Earth, and it contains 78% nitrogen, 20% oxygen, and some traces of 0.03% of carbon dioxide. Due to this, Earth has all the conditions that is required for the existence of life. So, life exists here, and also there is ozone layer in the Earth's atmosphere. Earth has water in all the three forms, in solid, liquid and gases, due to which animals and plants can live here. The next planet is Mars, which is called as Mangal, and this is the fourth planet in the solar system. It is nearly half the size of Earth. Now this planet appears reddish, and due to which it is called as red planet. Now why it is red? Because it has iron oxides which rust, and from the space it appears to be a red planet. Now it has thin atmosphere which consists of nitrogen and some traces of oxygen. Now Mars has two moons, and it has white polar caps. So there is some trace of water over here. So scientists are studying about this planet in detail. Now temperature on the Mars is about, maximum can go about 30 degrees Celsius, and the minimum temperature during night can fall up to minus 87 degrees Celsius. Now on this planet, if you live in this planet, 1 year will be equal to 687 days. Now this is Jupiter or Brihaspati. Now this is the biggest planet of our solar system. It can accommodate around 1300 Earth in it. We can place around 1300 Earth. So it is the largest planet in the solar system. It is mainly consists of gases like hydrogen and helium. Now it has a very fast rotation. It completes its rotation, that means one day is equal to 10 hours. But revolution period is very high because it is further from the sun, due to which it has a high revolution time. It has many moons. 50 are confirmed and 17 others are under confirmation. Now this planet has a faint ring, and you can see in the center, below center you can see a red spot, and this spot is due to a storm which is going on this planet. So due to which it forms a great red spot. Now this is the next planet, which is called as Shani or Saturn. It is the second largest planet after Jupiter. This is the next largest planet. It is only slightly smaller than Jupiter, but it has very less mass. So it mainly consists of gases like hydrogen and helium. And you can see this is very beautiful pattern. It has beautiful rings that make it very beautiful. Now these rings are made up of snow, ice and gases. Now the last two planets are Neptune and Uranus. Neptune is bigger than Uranus, and it is very cold because it is further from the sun. It has lots of storms are going on in this, and it has 14 moons. And before Neptune is Uranus. Now Uranus was first discovered by William Herschel in 1791 with the help of telescope. Its diameter is less than half of the Earth. So it is smaller than Earth. Its distance from the Sun is nearly double the distance of the Saturn from the Sun. So it is very, very far away. It is made up of hydrogen and methane gases. Now Uranus has a revolution period of 84 years. So here 1 year will be equal to Earth's 84 years, and in Neptune 1 year will be equal to 165 Earth year. So these are very, very far away planets. Now these are the facts about the planets. I hope you must have understood it well. Thank you.